About 8 months ago, we kicked off an exciting journey to reimagine our community experience. I am thrilled to announce that the brand new community design will go live on May 12th. Today, I'll be showcasing the 5 redesigned pages, walking you through the new features and enhancements we have added, and unveiling our new global theme. So this is the new redesigned homepage we have created for our guest users. And if you see, there are some new additions on the top header, which is called the global header. So we already had products, groups, events, and partners on the old design. We have added ideas because we have worked on a lot of improvements internally so that product managers can build up on that and we can give transparency to our customers who are submitting these ideas. So ideas is now part of the global header. If we move to the right-hand side, this is a new feature we have added. If you click on it, you would be able to see your favorite topic. Since this user is not logged in, you are getting a message. Please log in to see your favorite topics and the groups you have joined. Then we have login and register, the search option below with the new blue banner that we have. If I scroll down, you can see 4 announcements widgets. So earlier, we only had one announcement option, which means if there are some other things happening on the community in other products or in a group, we had no option to post that or highlight that anywhere. Now we have multiple widgets and we can use them the way we want. You can see the examples, must-read knowledge shares, best ideas of the month, upcoming webinars, what's new in BMC AMI Ops. So I think this is a great way to highlight the conversations and the content around the community. Now, if we scroll down, we have this Start Your Journey widget, which is showing off the numbers, telling you the importance of community, what you can do with it, and also giving you the option to register. On the right-hand side, we have this spotlight component, we're calling it. So this is a way for us to spotlight people, spotlight the content that we want to celebrate, some event like BMC Connect. This component is going to be available on topic pages as well. So this is going to be available on multiple pages to highlight the content. Now, if you see the recent activities section, we have made it really easy for users to look for the content. You can see the content type. You can see the title. You can see the topic it is attached to, when it was active, when it was created, number of likes, number of comments. Earlier, we were getting a whole feed, which was really confusing. You only had some feed available, some feed items available, but you had to scroll down a lot to see things. It was showing you title, a little bit of description, and then a tree-shaped comment section. So we have removed all that clutter. Now in one go, you have access to multiple titles, and you can see which one is favorable to you. On the right-hand side, we have leaderboard. We have, I think, made lots of changes in the leaderboard. Earlier, we only had a static leaderboard with all times. Now we have option to change it to monthly as well. And monthly is going to be the default option on the leaderboard. So now the numbers you see, that is a monthly calculation for whole of the community. And these people, and this is the sandbox. My name is coming on the top because I have done lots of testing. If you click on this one, the list is going to be expanded and you should be able to see up to 20 people who are on the leaderboard. If I scroll down, this widget is going to show off the badges. So recently you received 5 badges, whoever that may be, whatever badge they have received. the badge icon is going to show up, the name of the person who has received this badge, and name of the badge. Now at the very bottom, this is really important. Register now is the universal register button we are giving here on Start Your Journey widget and here. Community guidelines is a set of rules created by community team, which users can read and check out how they can do things on community, what is community going to do for them. So lots of things are going to be available here. And then this is one new addition we have done on the homepage. So if you click on it, this is going to open a form for you. You can type in your name, your email address. You can select the issue category for which you are connecting with the community team. Type in the content and submit. And an email will go out to communities@bmc.com to our team, and we can help out the user. With that, I think we have completed the guest version of the homepage. Now let me move on to the logged in version. And some things that I have left on guest page, I think I will cover on the logged in homepage. So this is what the logged in page looks like. You can see my image there. Now the search is personalized. It tells you your name and how can I be successful. So that's one personalization we have done there. These 9 dots, they are now going to show my favorite topics. So these are the topics that I'm following. These are the groups I am part of. I can navigate directly to these topics and groups from here. Now this icon, this is what we are calling contribute button. And this is going to be a global button available on every page. With this, you don't have to select multiple tabs for ideas, for blogs, for groups, for events. Whatever you want to do, this is going to be available right there on the top for you. Just one more thing with this button is related with the perm sets that you have been assigned. So I have a community manager perm set. So I am able to see all the options here. People who do not have a blog creation permission, a group creation permission, or an event creation permission, they will not be able to see these options. So these options are dependent on the perm set that you have. Now the announcements widget is same. Now this is interesting. So this is the gamification enhancement we have done. So you can see the points that you have, the remaining points so that you can reach on to the next level, the badges that you have received. If you click on view all, it is going to open up a new tab for you, and you can see all the badges that you have received. Now the recent activity. So there is no difference in the recent activity theme and the way we are presenting it. The only change is if you are logging in as a guest user, you will only be able to see the public content from the topics because topics are always public. But if you are logged in, you will be able to see the content from the topics you are following, from the groups you are a member of. So that really personalizes the conversation for everybody. And you don't see the unwanted content. You only see the content which is relevant for you. Other than that, the spotlight, leaderboard, see what you can achieve is similar. Now, these things are new for logged in users. So we have meet the community section where we are highlighting our community members. So Chitra, Vani, Shafali, they are featured here. Users can connect with them for any kind of assistance they need, if there is a need. This blank space that you see, this is for the trending topics section. Since this is a sandbox, we don't have a trending topics, of course. So that's why it is coming blank. Otherwise, it is going to show you top 3, top 5 topics, which are more active on the community. This section is another variant of the Spotlight component we have here. So Chitra, Shifali, Vani would be using it for Did You Know, for Knowledge Share Wednesdays, for other things that they want for our users to know. Now, register button is gone from additional information because obviously you are logged in. Community guidelines is same. Now there is a difference in get help experience as well. So now if I click on get help, it is going to auto-populate my name and the email address. So you don't have to fill it manually like we had to do earlier. The issue category is same. You can type in your issue description. One additional feature you get as a logged in experience is you have the option to upload files. So if you want to share an ad or a screenshot, a PDF, or any document with us, you can do that. So I think with this, we have completed the homepage experience. Now let's move on to the third page. We have changed, that is our products catalog. So this is the new page we have designed for the products. We have created these categories: service management, automation, operations, mainframe. In additional products, we have products which are not categorized with any of the topics, and some topics which are like off topic, BMC Community, because it's not a product. Apart from that, all the components that I mentioned, they are there. Now, if I move on to our next page, that is going to be a topic page. Let me open a topic page for you. You can see we have changed the theme. We have changed the design experience a bit. You can see the number of followers, number of posts. The follow button is right there highlighted for you. The recent activity, feed, knowledge articles, blogs, documents, all these options, they are similar to the existing topics. We have not made any change to these. The only change you can see is on the right-hand side. You have this Spotlight content, which is a global component. Then we have meet the experts. So people who were active in that specific topic in a month, they are going to be showing up here. The top 5 people, you see them here right now. Since this is sandbox, we don't have much data. So this is the test data that you see at the moment. So this is our topic page. The next change we have made, it's on the group page. So let me open a group page for you. This group list page where you can find the groups, this is still the same. There is no change on those. All right, so this is the group detail page that we have. So the options are looking as usual, but with the new and improved design and colors. Since it's a sandbox, there is no recent activity and feed and files you see, but that is going to be exactly the same experience that you have right now. You have the group email information, owner, people who are part of the group, feed post, current membership, summary. If you click on edit group, all the options that you had earlier, they are going to be similar for you. The way you ask questions in a group, you start a poll, you create an announcement, that is going to be a similar experience as earlier. There you go. So I think with that, we have completed the 5 pages that we have pre-designed for the community. Rest of the pages, there is no change in terms of design. The only change which has happened, that is the color theme and the new font. With that, I think it concludes the walkthrough.